What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can connect multiple social accounts on your Instagram page. Instagram has a problem that it can only add one link on your Instagram profile. Now for example, as you can see, this is my Instagram page, and over here it's like I have added tab bio slash Nazir. So that's actually my small link, and it if you click on that link, it will redirect you to another one, and that is named as tab bio. Now in the tab bio you will find that I can add Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and you can email me. So I have added multiple social account using one link. So it's basically everyone uses Instagram on their phone, so this is looking as a phone. So when you go and see, I can add like social link. I have added my background image, and also I have added something what I do and what I don't do. So for example, on Instagram I do Instagram reels, and web developer I do as a job. So similarly you can do that one as well. Now when it comes to my YouTube channel, you can go and look like my YouTube channel has been seen, and if I scroll it, people can actually watch my YouTube video on the app itself. So it's like you have to do is when you go on edit mode, you will get cards. Cards is basically different screen. So when I want to add screen, now right now I'm on a free plan, so that's why they are requiring me to add like payment. So it's like a simple template has been given, the link has been given, Instagram email collector, and as you can see you can also add a shop as well. Now it's showing coming soon, but soon it will be there. Alright, so but I'm using free plan, so that's why it is recommended that you can check other people as well. For example, I want to see, let me scroll and find something interesting. So I would like to go with Whole30. So if I click on Whole30, you can see how the tab bio they are using, and you can see that it is showing like a multiple cards have been added, and every different card will give you certain details. So if I click on one card, it will directly lead me to the website. When I go back, when I go with this image, it will again redirect you into the another page of the website or different website. So it's like on single page there are multiple links over there. So here also she have added like different pages from the website, and you can redirect them to other page. Here she have added like what you can do and what you cannot do, also added the community. So this is how people are using and multiple pages as the image, and it redirect to another pages. So how people are using. Another one is very famous is Linktree. So you can directly go and use Linktree, and Linktree is very famous. Now the thing is they require to pay some money, and they also have the free one. So you can join it for free for Linktree and so on. So there are multiple one as well. It's like multiple way, but for me personally, I'm using tab bio as my one link that is going to redirect to my other social pages. Then it's going to be lnk.bio. Now you can go and directly go with the plan they use, like for example how much they charge, and you can see how many creators are actually using it. So you can see free plan and it goes. So you can go with multiple one, just go and see, just go on Google and search alternative for one link, and that is going to give you the option to add multiple pages on your Instagram, on your social link. Go ahead and use it and do the social media marketing using Instagram. So this is how it's going to look, because the Instagram is basically one mobile screen, and that's how it has been shown. So website is being shown under one page and with the one link. So I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys next time. If you want to follow me, you can go on Nazir Hakim underscore official. Actually, I make videos on Dubai and cars. So if you are interested, you can directly go and follow me on Instagram. If not, I hope this idea will help you, and all of the pages will be linked on your Instagram with one link. So That's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys next time.